What happens when you have a sale? Lily, what you got? Cost of something. Anybody else? Reduces the cost, maybe. What does it mean to sell something?
It brings down.
What does it mean to sell something?
Like, sell something to somebody and give something, like somebody buys it from you.
Okay, so we're buying something at potentially a lower cost. Y'all good with that definition? Anybody in here know what a rebate is? Anybody ever heard of a rebate? Not exactly. Although a lot of the ads now do provide rebates. When I order pizza, I get deals, obviously. But eventually, Pizza Hut will send me rebates. It's basically a partial refund. That means they give me money back just for being a loyal Pizza Hut customer. What do you do with a coupon? Buy stuff. How do you buy stuff with it? Is it like money?
You pay for it and then like you scan it and stuff.
And what does that scanning do?
Like reduces the cost.
Oh, okay. So this is something that can also reduce my cost. So like a piece of paper or a code that reduces your cost. You good with that? Now do y'all see why I didn't want to do the booklet today? All right. So we've got to figure out right now which is the better deal. Unfortunately, that means this is kind of a lot of math. When I taught 6th grade, we used to do a project where you would figure out the two prices and see which one was the better deal. You did a unit rate. Do they still do that? No. Shame. Because what we're going to do right now is very similar to it. So we're going to figure out which one's the better deal. So how do I take a fifth of 275? Anybody? Division by what? By 5. Does anybody else know why in the world we're dividing by 5? That's what we're doing, right? Are we asleep this morning? I'm worried y'all are zombies this morning. All right, so what am I multiplying by? The what? I heard it. Somebody said it very quietly up front. What'd you say? Where is that number? We're multiplying by the top. What does this fraction bar mean? I heard it very quietly over there. Divide. So we're multiplying by the top and dividing by the bottom. Or you could have turned this into decimal 20, either one. Personally, I'd rather just divide because it'd probably be faster. Since y'all are all zombified and being super quiet. So I want to know the best deal, which means that's the price that they're taking off, right? And I'm gonna move my little subtraction sign. It looks funky. So we're gonna see if any store can beat 220. All right. What do I do with the rebate? Do I get money off or do I add money? Get money off. Think about my Pizza Hut. So I'm gonna do 250 minus my 30. Hey, look, I got 220 again. What do I do with shipping? Do I have to pay for that? Yeah. So that means I've got to add that back. Is that a good deal? Why not? Why is $240 not a good deal? It's higher than the first one. Because we're all zombified still. All right, what about store 3? I have a percentage. What can I do? I could do that. I don't know if it'd work very well, though. Could I do something like this? What'd you say? 25 over 100. And what's that equal on the other side? What am I trying to find out? My whole. Am I trying to figure out the whole? Or am I trying to figure out the sale price? Is the sale price going to be more or less? Less. So where should my 300 go? Top or bottom? I know Angel's awake. So Carson was right, partially. We are going to multiply by the 25. I don't like a whole lot of extra work, so I'm going to just go ahead and put my zeros down at the bottom. How much is 3/4? 70 what?
75.
There we go. Now we're going to divide this by 100. So what do I get? 75. Because remember, I'm just moving my decimal or dividing it by 100. Now, is that my price? Is that my sale price? Or is that how much money I'm taking off? Guess they're all asleep this morning. So I'm going to borrow because I can't do that. 9, borrow. So I got 5, 225. So which one's the best deal? Yeah, first one. All right, how we doing? We good? Do y'all want to see another one, or are y'all good enough to do this maybe by yourself? Y'all want to do? Anybody want to see another one? As no one raises their hands. Did you want to see another one? She's like, no. All right, so I am going to go ahead and